Let's see how to make the aloe vera hair masks. Mask number 1. Aloe vera with olive oil and yogurt for smooth and shiny hair. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant and natural conditioner that nourishes the scalp and hair. Yogurt has a moisturizing property that adds volume and shine to your hair. To prepare this mask, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons each of yogurt and olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Stir all these ingredients and apply it on the scalp. Massage it gently on the scalp and hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it for another 25 to 30 minutes and rinse your hair. Do this regularly 3 to 4 times a month for smooth and shiny hair growth. Mask number 2. Aloe vera with lemon juice combination helps to provide nourishment, eliminate dandruff, remove excess oiliness, stimulate hair growth, and reduce hair loss. To make this hair mask, extract aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf and squeeze half a lemon in the bowl. Pour this mix into a blender and blend it for a minute or 2. Apply it on your hair and scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. Wash your hair thoroughly after 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat it regularly to prevent hair loss and to enhance healthy hair growth. Mask number 3. Aloe vera with coconut oil and honey for dry hair. Dry hair will result in dandruff, itchy scalp, hair loss, and cause hair damage. This hydrating hair mask nourishes your hair deeply and prevents dry hair. To make this, mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel in a bowl. Stir well and apply this mix on your hair from root to tip direction as a hair mask. Leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes and rinse off with your regular shampoo. Continue doing the same process regularly to get rid of dry and dull hair. Mask number 4. Aloe vera with tea tree oil and rose water for dandruff. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties that fight against the microbes causing dandruff. Aloe vera has soothing properties against the itching and redness caused due to dandruff. Rose water soothes the irritated scalp and hair. Mix 5 to 7 drops of tea tree oil and 1 to 2 teaspoons of rose water for serum consistency in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Stir well and apply it on your scalp by massaging thoroughly. Let it sit for a few minutes and rinse off your hair with water. Do the same process 3 times a week till you get relief from dandruff and damaged hair. Mask number 5. Aloe vera with castor oil and fenugreek for hair growth. Castor oil strengthens your hair roots, reduces the stress, and grows your hair faster. Fenugreek contains hormone antecedents, which rebuild your hair follicles and thus promote faster hair growth. Mix 2 teaspoons each of basil powder, fenugreek powder, and castor oil in a half cup of aloe vera gel. Stir it and apply it on all over the scalp at night before bedtime. Massage it gently for a few minutes and leave it on overnight.